Hello. Hello. Arnel here. So, welcome back sa Freecodecamp lessons natin. Decimal to binary converter. Step 23. So, sabi, for the decimal to binary conversion, you need to divide input by 2 until the quotient, yung result, or the result of dividing two numbers is 0. But since you don't know how many times you need to divide input by 2, you can use while loop to run a block of code as long as input is greater than 0 and can be divided. Alright, as a reminder, a while loop is used to run block of code as long as the condition evaluates to true and the condition is checked before the code block is executed. For example, let I is equals to 0. So while I is less than 5, to console.log yung I. Mag-add na yun ng isa sa I. So mag-get na 1 to. Then mag-run ulit siya. Run niya ulit yung condition na to. And so on hanggang sa maging equal siya. So kapag naging 5 siya, so equals na siya. Hindi na siya siguro mag-run. Hindi na siya mag-run kasi wala naman siyang equal. So kailangan may break. Alam ko dapat may break yung dito. So tingnan natin. So ang gagawin daw is create a while loop that runs as long as input is greater than 0. Leave the body of the loop empty for now. Alright. So while tas yung condition natin, input is greater than 0. And then open and close curly braces. So check natin to. Wala mo tayo ilalagay sa loob ng loop. Alright, good. Alright, next step. So decimal to binary converter, step 24. The tricky part about while loop is that if you're not careful, they can run forever. Sabi ko na nga ba. This is called an infinite loop and can cause your browser to crash. To avoid infinite loops, you need to make sure that the condition for the while loop eventually becomes false. In this case, you want to make sure that the input variable eventually becomes 0. Move the input equals 0 statement into the body of the while loop. This will make it so that the loop will only run up to one time. Papasok lang natin ito dito sa loob ng while loop. Cut natin yan. Pasok natin sa loob. Check. Okay. Good. So see you in the next video.